Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making this delicious Japanese style hamburger. So to start, you're going to need one large onion, and then we're going to very finely dice up all of the onion. We are then going to saute our onions with about half a tablespoon of olive oil until they are softened and golden brown. Do this over a medium-low temperature. We are then going to take 250 grams of 12% fat minced beef, and then to that we're going to add 15 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 medium egg, about half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 2 good pinches of salt. Some freshly ground black pepper, and our fried onions. We are then going to make sure that we give that a really good mix with our hands. We're then going to form them into burger patties. So you want them to be about 2 centimeters or so thick, because when we cook the burgers they'll shrink and get thicker. Then pop your patties onto some greaseproof paper and set aside for later. Okay, now let's make our sauce. So we're going to start with 200 ml of beef stock. And then we're going to add about 4 dessert spoons of ketchup. And then tell the cat to get down. So, that's just me remembering that I forgot the last spoon because I was distracted by the cat. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we're also going to add a teaspoon of dark soy. This is for colour and flavour. And some sake. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sake in here, but you can substitute for a different alcohol, so red wine is also really good. And then a teaspoon of sugar. So take a heaped teaspoon of cornstarch or potato starch with a little bit of water and mix it to make a paste, which we're then going to add to our sauce. After that, give it all a good mix and make sure it's fully combined. Set aside for later. Now let's cook our burgers. So we're going to take a large frying pan that we're able to put a lid over and heat up over a higher temperature about another half a tablespoon of olive oil. And when that's nice and hot, we're going to add in our burgers. So once our burgers are in, we're going to reduce the temperature to a medium-low temperature, cover with a lid, and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to give them a flip. Recover with the lid and let them cook for a further 4 minutes. Okay, so now our burgers are cooked, but we're going to want to rest them for another 5 minutes at least. So keep them in the pan, cover them back up and set them to the side. Okay, so let's heat up our sauce in the meantime. So over a medium heat, we're going to want to keep stirring our sauce until it is starting to boil and thicken. And there we have it. That's our finished hamburger, Japanese style. Super simple and easy, but truly delicious. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you did enjoy this recipe. If you have any recipes that you'd like to know how to make, please leave a comment below. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. See you next time.